Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a custom route. And for this, open your Google Maps, and I want to create a route in Amsterdam. Alright, let's start at the Amsterdam Central Station. So for that we want to tap right in the bottom on the blue icon for directions. Then I want to start at Amsterdam Central. And from here, I want to go to the Ajax Arena. Then he will create a route that we can pick. And now he will show us the route with the car or by walking, whatever we like. And after that, I want to go to the Van Gogh Museum. Then we tap on the three dots, then do add stop, and now tap in Van Gogh Museum. So now he is showing us, first we walk from Amsterdam Central to the Johan Cruyff Arena, and from there we go to the Van Gogh Museum. After that I want to go to the McDonald's to eat something. Yes. And now we just created our own route where we visit the Ajax Stadium, Van Gogh Museum, and after that we can eat something. This is how you can do this on the most easy way, and hopefully this helps you out with creating your own route. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.